Ranguru eVidya. It is a new age of learning introduced by Sri Chaitanya. More than 80,000 students are using the Ranguru eVidya application. Parents are very happy as their child's academic performance has been increased significantly. The main objective is to help the students utilize the time to enhance their knowledge and skills, though you are not able to attend the school now. You can use Ranguru eVidya application either in your computer or Android smartphone. If you have a computer or laptop with Windows 10 operating system, you can open the Google Chrome browser, type ranguru.com in the address bar and press enter. You will see the sign-in page. Here you have to enter the supplied student ID and click next. Now type 4-digit password and click on sign in button. Once you are successfully signed in, you can see 4 modules such as learn, practice, tests and games. By default, you will land in the Learn module, which is the first module. This module contains the soft copies of government textbooks, course materials, learning animations and interactivities to check your understanding. These are all your subjects. Each subject contains its related books. For example, in the Techno subject, we have the textbooks such as Techno Maths Part 1, Techno Maths Part 2, Techno Physics, Techno Chemistry and Vedic Math Techno. If you click on a subject, corresponding books will be displayed like this. Click on a book to see the chapters inside the book. Now, click on the chapter to see the digital content such as animations, reading materials, etc. Animations are the lesson videos help you understand the concept more deeply and easily. You can click on any animation to play. Here, C10 means 10 coins. That is, if you watch an animation completely, you will earn 10 coins. And yellow background of C10 indicates that you have already earned the coins for that animation. You can earn coins only once for an animation. Whereas the black background of C10 indicates you have not earned the coins of that animation yet. Your total coins balance will be displayed at the top. You can see a button Take Quiz for most of the animations. Click on this button Take Quiz after watching the animation. This is helpful for you to check your understanding of the animation. In the Take Quiz, you will find 2 to 5 multiple choice questions. You have to choose an option and click on Submit button. As soon as you click on the Submit button, it will show if your choice is correct or wrong and what is the correct answer. Click on Next Question button to attempt the next question. After you have attempted all the questions, you will see Finish button at the bottom. Click on the same to go back to the animation. Reading material section contains chapter PDF. You can click to open the PDF files and read. Like this, you can explore the Learn module yourself to learn any subject, book and chapter you want using the animations and reading materials. Let us enter into the next module, Practice. This module contains variety of objective questions by subject, book and chapter. These practice questions are useful for you to check your knowledge immediately after you have completed learn part of a chapter of a book. Click on a book to see the list of practice tests available by chapter. Once you see the list of practice tests, click Practice or Practice Again button. Start attempting the practice questions. Choose the correct option for each question and click on Next button. At the last question, click on Submit button to see analysis such as how many questions you have done correctly, how many are wrong, and how many questions you could not attempt. Click on Home button to go back to practice test screen. Click on the Review button to see your correct attempts, wrong attempts, answer key, and the detailed solutions for each question. And you can also click on Analysis button to see the detailed scorecard of a practice test. The last module is Games. This module has variety of educational games by subject and book. Click on Play Now button of a subject to see the list of books inside the subject. Now select a book to see the list of games to play. Click on Play Now button to play a game. If you find Unlock button for a game, you have to spend the coins from your coin balance to unlock the game and play. If a game is unlocked once, you can play the game forever.